What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2018 Harley Davidson Fat Bob with the 114 motor. Guys, this is the first 114 motor we've had on a Softail. This is just the sickest bike. This is the walk around video. This bike has 300 miles on it. It is basically perfect. Tire tread obviously is like perfect. I want to find like one super big glaring flaw. Obviously it's got the license plate on the side. Stock pipes. Everything on this bike is stock, but the mirrors, he put Harley Davidson black mirrors on it instead of, I think it comes with chrome. All of this is just like powder coated out. Looks awesome. This thing is an amazing 114 cubic inch. Guys, this thing rips. I just rode up and down the street. It absolutely rips. I love this matte, like bronze, like goldish dark green paint job. It looks so freaking good. It's got a fleck in it. It's a flat paint job. Love the LED light bar on the front. It just looks so cool. Front fender looks great. I'm not seeing any flaws in that front fender. Front tires obviously like brand new. It's got 300 miles. A little bit of residue from a sticker here, it looks like, on the cover over here. Got a battery tender port. Oh, this looks so good. Harley Davidson foot pegs, obviously everything's just the stock stuff. Seat is in phenomenal. Oh, there's this. Oh wait, man, maybe not. Nope, I take it back. Everything is in really, really, really good shape with this bike. Top of the tank. Slight scratch there. There you go. There's your one big glaring flaw. Tiny scratch right there. Like I said, guys, 300 miles on this beast. Comes with 2 keys. I have 2 key fobs. 301 miles. Let's fire this beast up. Glowing Harley Davidson logo. That's freaking awesome. You can see that. I know what you're thinking to yourself. Why the heck did he get rid of this bike with 300 miles on it? It's basically brand new. He bought it brand new from a Harley dealer. Basically because he's an adventure bike rider at heart. He had I think a YZ250 or a YZF250. Yeah, YZF250. He had a KTM, one of the big venture bikes, and then he traded it on this, and I think he's in love with that adventure bike riding riding style, and it just didn't necessarily fit exactly what he wanted, so he sold it to us. So you guys are going to get this at a killer deal. This bike will not last long at all. I already have people interested in it. Let me know if there's something you're interested in. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.